Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Achmad Prayoga and I'm going to talk about contact clues, and let's get started. Contact clues are hints that an author gives to help define a difficult or unusual word within a book. The clue may appear within the same sentence as the word to which it refers, or it may follow in the next sentence. Because most of our vocabulary is gained through reading, it is important that we are able to recognize and take advantage of contact clues. There are at least four kinds of contact clues that are quite common. Number one, synonym or repeat contact clues. An author will use more than one word that means the same thing. For example, there may be a complex word followed by a statement. Using a simpler word in the same or following sentence, Philip is Mr. He is always been cheap. And number two, antonym or contact clues. The text may include a word or words that have the opposite meaning, which can reveal the meaning of an unknown term. So as well, the said flamboyant have never seen her wear a full color. Number three, explanation or a definition contact clues. An unknown word is explained within the sentence or in the sentence immediately after. On Friday, we visit the Arboretum, a garden dedicated to the expedition of trees and plants. And number four, a specific example or an example contact clues. The text provides one or more example used to define the term. The children were able to observe several crustaceans, including crabs, lobster, and shrimp. Other describe contact clues in three ways. Number one, semantic or meaning clues. When reading a story about cats, readers develop the expectation that it will contain words associated with cats, such as tail, purr, scrat, and whiskers. And number two, syntactic or word order clues. The order of the words in a sentence can indicate what a part of speech a missing word must be, or for example, a verb. And number three, picture clues. From an early age, beginning readers are taught to look at illustration to help with the identification of a word. Learning a new word from context alone does have its limitation, as this method is not always definitive. Often, context may give a reader a general idea of a word, but not a full meaning if the sentence in which an unknown word appears don't clearly spell out its meaning. That meaning may be lost for long-term retention. The reader need to see a word multiple times. The more often an intended definition is included, the more likely the reader will retain and understand a new word. That's all what I can say about contact clues. Thank you very much, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.